Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to transform these Vance and Hines Shortshots to look like this without having to replace the heat shield. So, let's dive in and get started. I was originally planning to replace these heat shields, but they were out of stock online. I emailed Vance and Hines, but with those priced I decided to repaint them myself and save some serious money. So let's start with removing these heat shields. To remove these shields, you need a flathead screwdriver. For this screw, it's best to use a flathead stubby screwdriver. Once you unscrew all the clamps, you'll be able to take the heat shields apart. As you can see, the heat shields are in rough shape. The color has faded, there's rust all over, and lots of scratches, so let's start restoring them. We'll start by removing the paint and rust using 80 grit sandpaper. Make sure you have enough of it because it wears out quickly. I bought the packs, each with 6 sheets. After sanding, the surface will look like this. Next, use 180 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface. Finally, use 600 grit sandpaper to blend the surface before applying primer. You can also use the 600 grit after the primer to smooth it out before applying the base color. Before painting, clean the surface with pre-paint prep. I'm using masking tape to cover the Vance and Hines logo. Now we'll apply the first coat of primer. I used the HT Flameproof Ignifuge paints for the entire job since they can handle temperatures from 704 degrees Celsius to 1093 degrees Celsius. After wait at least 10 minutes, we will start with second coat of primer. After 2 coats of primer, the shields will look like this. Now it's time to apply the flat black paint. Just like before, apply the coats with 10 minutes between each one. Here's how it looks after the black paint. Lastly, we'll apply 2 coats of satin clear paint, again waiting 10 minutes between each coat. Check out the final look after all the layers are done. Before putting the heat shields back on, I'll give the exhaust pipes a quick clean. Now let's reinstall the clamps. Try to install them in an order that makes it easier to use your screwdriver. Before tightening the clamps, don't forget to align the heat shields properly. You can see the difference. To cure the paint, I'm following the instructions on the product. Run the motorcycle on idle for 10 minutes. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Run on idle again for 20 minutes and rest for 20 minutes. Finally, run the bike under normal conditions for 30 minutes. If you see smoke coming from the heat shields during this process, that's completely normal. It will go away once the paint cures. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming content.